If you're looking to improve the performance of your modified mill, we have the answer. Whether you've done a cam swap, or bolted on a carb, intake and headers, the 6A is a surefire way to harness all the ponies under your hood. The digital 6A is a microprocessor-controlled, capacitive discharge ignition that multi-sparks up to 3000 RPM, providing easy starts, a clean, smooth idle and quick throttle response by optimizing your engine's efficiency. Above 3000 RPM, a single spark stays lit for up to 20 degrees of crankshaft rotation, ensuring a complete burn of the air, fuel mixture in every cylinder. A sealed, locking connector keeps the minimal wiring of the 6A tidy for a clean installation in all applications. It can be run on 4, 6 and 8 cylinder engines with a 12-volt negative ground electrical system and can be triggered with breaker points, an electronic amplifier or magnetic pickups.